We get it. Sometimes it can all be too much and too fast. Did you know that more than 1 in 3 people experience a lot of worry or stress? You're not alone. Your inner demons shouldn't define how you treat yourself and the people around you. Take a deep breath. We want to help you slow down and find inner peace. A reason why you might not have peace of mind is because you don't have a safe space to practice. Let us guide you to suitable activities to help you find a routine and reconnect with yourself. This is Spirit Bird. Whether you are teaching or practicing, experienced or new to the space, we're including everyone, no matter the size of your pocket. A bird knows no boundaries, and neither do we. Join the swarm today and start your individual practice.